Hello traders, so I'm back with another video, and in this video we are going to take a trade again over for the next 4 to 5 minutes, and we will going to analyze 1 minute candlestick chart. The previous video I was getting some comments that some of you may are not liking the strategies, but trust me, this strategy is better than the previous one. It will take some time to understand it better, but this is, according to my experience, this strategy is better than the previous one, and I just want you guys to give me some time so that I can explain you in detail how the strategy works. Now let's start taking trades. As you can see, we are on a as you if you look carefully, the major trend is uptrend, but if you go on a minor trend, because we are taking trades over the next 4 to 5 minutes, the major trend does not affect it most. The minor trend is what we are focusing on. So as you can see, the minor trend is downtrend here. I'm going to draw a trend line here to see if there is any resistance. As you can see, this is our trend line. So I have not included this wick because we are getting most touches over this path, so that's why I have drawn this trend line. In the future I will try to create a video in which I will explain you how I draw trend line. So as you can see, market is going upward and the momentum is very strong. So let me give you some point that you need to notice, because we are going to use them all the time. So the first thing is the trend. We are going to take trade in the direction of the trend as much as possible until and unless we have an extreme level of support or resistance. Second thing, we will focus on the momentum of the market. Third thing, we will focus on the support and the resistance levels. Fourth thing, the price action is also important. Whenever we find consolidation, we will take breakout. When we find retracement, we will take reversals. Okay, and the last thing is the candlestick, which will confirm us that this is with. Okay, let me take the trade. I am very sure about this trade. Okay, so if this candle finishes below this green candle, I will take the trade, and let's wait. Okay, so this is a trading opportunity. I have taken a trade. So as you can see, it reaches below this green bearish bullish candle, and so this is a kind of engulfing pattern for me. So I have taken the trade. Now I will explain you the trade. So as you can see, the trend was downtrend, so the minor trend was downtrend. We are taking the trade in the direction of the trend because we don't have the extreme level, so we are taking trades in the direction of the trend. Second thing, what we did here, we focused on the support and the resistance level. The trend line are also support and resistance. They also work as support and resistance. As you can see, this was our trend line. Market reached at this level and reverses from that very level. So we got the support and the resistance level. In this case, we got resistance by using a trend line. We found a good candlestick pattern. We have the trend. The momentum was slowing down. As you can see, a red candle, a bearish candle, again a good bearish engulfing pattern. And the last thing, the price action. As you can see, it is a downtrend, and if you look carefully, the price action, it went down a little bit up and it went down, and then it goes up touching that trend line and reverses again after giving us a good candlestick pattern. So we have taken this trade by following all the rules, and that's how you will take the trade. It will take some time, but once you are sure about it, you will find that this strategy is better than the previous one, and it will give you more time to be patient, because you don't have to take a trade in a hurry, because in the last in our previous strategy, it was very instant to take a trade, otherwise you will lose the opportunity. But in this case, you can take to, suppose if you are not able to take a trade here, you still have a chance to take the trade here or here somewhere, because every confirmation has been fulfilled, and sometimes market reverses a little bit and you can take the trade. And so in such cases, you will find that you will be able to spot more trades rather than rather than having a fear of not taking the trade. when you find a good trading setup. So let's wait for the result, and as it's going, let's try to find one more opportunity. Okay, I think we have an opportunity here. Okay, let's wait for this candle, then I will explain you why I'm taking this trade. Okay, it's a good trading setup, trust me. Okay, yes, so I have taken this trade here as well. It's a 4-minute trade, and this is also a 4-minute trade. Now let me explain you why I have taken this trade here. So talking about the minor trend, the trend is uptrend. We have taken the trade in the direction of the trend. Let me draw our trend line. So if you look carefully, this is our trend line. Market, this is some rejection, so we can neglect it, or if you want to include, you can include like this. This is our support level. This is also a support level. If you draw a horizontal level, you will find that this is also a support level. And you can see, sorry. Okay, so as you can see, this is our support level. This is also a support level. The trend is uptrend. The price action is there. We got a good candlestick pattern, engulfing pattern in the direction of the trend at a support level. So as you can see, we have won this trade with a good margin. Now let's talk about this trade, and we'll wait for the result, and then we will finish the video. So let me recap the concept that I have included in this. The trend, we are taking the trade in the direction of the trend. Momentum, you can see market was going down and it started to losing its momentum. You can see these small candle, the wicks, they all show the fight between the buyers and the sellers. Third thing, the candlestick pattern, you can see it is a good candlestick pattern which is showing the strength of the buyer, so we can trust that the market will continue to go up as it is an uptrend. Fourth thing, the price action, you can see this is the retracement. The price action perform like this. It goes down, it comes up, again goes up, comes down, goes up, comes down, and so now it's time to go up again. So this is a price action. It will create higher highs, higher lows, lower high, lower lows, like this. So this is there is a price action. The momentum was losing. We got a good candlestick pattern. We have the support level, we have the trend, everything is being fulfilled by us, so we are taking this trade. Isn't it that easy? But it will take some time. So let me make more videos so that you can understand, and trust me, once you apply this strategy, you will find that this is much more better than the previous one. It is more calm, and it will give you some time, so that you can be patient at some time, because what happened when you are trading over 1 minute, you are in a hurry because you can't miss even a second, because the market moves very fast in smaller time frame, and once you lose the opportunity, you can't take trade, because if you take the trade, you will lose it for sure. So as you can see, it's going good. You can see market is creating good bullish candles, a sign that market will go up, and that's why it is working. So the result is going to come out in the next 45 seconds. So let me recap what we have to focus when we are taking trades. So we will take three types of trades. The reversal trades, we will take reversal trades only when we have the extreme levels. Okay, extreme support or resistance level will be taken into consideration when we want to take reversal, in which we can go against the trend, which I will explain you with live trading in the coming videos whenever I find an opportunity. The second thing, we will take reversals like this, the retracement reversal. You can see this was the retracement and this is the reversal. So this is the retracement reversal. I call it retracement reversal because this is in the direction of the trend. So the second will be the retracement reversal, and the third trading type will be the breakout trades, which we will take in the direction of the trend. In most cases, we will take breakout in the direction of the trend. So we will take three types of trades: the reversal trades, the retracement reversal trades, and the breakout trades, by using some concept which you can note down, which is the trend, we will focus on the trend, we will focus on the price action, we will focus on the candlestick pattern, we will focus on the support and the resistance, and last we will focus on the momentum, also the speed of the market momentum, which you can see that it was slowing down. That's why we are sure that market now is able will be able to reverse from that level. So these are the concept, and just give me some time, because I will make it easy for you, and trust me, you will going to love it. So I will finish this video here, hoping that you all guys understand it very well. But if you are not able to, you can comment down below, and I will try to solve your problem as soon as possible. And if you are new to this channel, please visit our website. The link is given in the video description. You can read articles related to trading here as well. And one more important thing, if you guys are trading on Bank Nifty, especially Bank Nifties or Indian stock, I just want you to comment down, because I am preparing something for Indian stock market. So if you are an Indian or you are trading over Bank Nifty or stock market, just comment down that you are trading on the Bank Nifty. Till then, keep trading, keep working hard. I will bring such kind of videos very soon. Good day.